If you're 30 and broke, you aren't just behind, you're at a crossroads.
The numbers don't lie, but they also don't have to be the end of the story.
Society tells you that by 30, you should have it all figured out. But the truth is, most people are just pretending. It's time to stop pretending and start building. No more excuses. No more tomorrow.
Summoning Kiali. Let's break down the mechanics of a financial comeback.
You have to step off the wheel to see where it's actually going. You can't build a skyscraper on a foundation of leaks. Audit every cent that leaves your pocket. If it doesn't buy you freedom, it's an anchor. At 30, your greatest asset isn't your savings, it's your ability to acquire high-income skills. Skill up, or one income stream is a recipe for disaster. Your 9 to 5 pays your bills, but your 6 to 10 builds your empire.
Plant the seed today. Don't wait for a perfect season.
Respect your credit, and it will give you the keys to the kingdom. The market will shake, people will panic, but the wealthy stay the course while others run. Chaos is just a discount for those who are prepared.
If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room.
Man, I chose to be wealthy long before I had the money. You will fail. You will lose money. The difference is how fast you debug your mistakes. Every error is just a data point for future success. This is where the magic starts.
Consistency is the boring secret to extraordinary results. Show up every single day.
In 2026, the landscape of wealth is shifting. You need to be positioned for premium assets.
This is the goal. This is the why.
The path is clear. Now you just have to walk it.
I'll see you at the top.
Don't just watch this video. Change one thing about your finances before you go to sleep tonight. Your future self is counting on you. Don't let them down. The first million starts with the first decision. Make it now.